if you just listen to these numbers, look at them, and let them kind of soak into your brain, once you've gotten into this as actually a system, a methodology of transmitting information, these numbers are actually carriers of information because each number stands for meanings beyond just the apparent ones. So we see 1,440 minutes is equal to 86,400 seconds, and a 12-hour span of time, which is usually represented on the clock, 720 minutes, which equals 43,200 seconds. So just look at those numbers. You'll think that obviously 43,200 is half of 86,400. The 1,440, we're going to counter that number again here momentarily. So these are just examples of some of the time measures, how we think about time in our particular culture. Space measure, we talked about a foot, we talked about of 12 inches, we talked about a square foot. You'll notice that the square foot has the same repetition of digits, 144, as the 24 hours does. All we do is we tack a zero on that. We have the number of minutes in a day. We have a cubic foot equaling 1728. I want to call your attention to the 1 square yard, which is 1,296 inches. As it turns out, we can stick a zero on the end of that. We have 12,960 years, which turns out to be an awesomely important span of time in terms of some of the great cycles that affect this planet, and that's what we're going to be getting to. Geometry, everybody knows that a circumference of a circle is divided into 360 degrees, and that 360 degrees of arc, because each degree is subdivided into minutes of arc, there is then 60 times 360, as it says there, 21,600. And then you'll notice that 21,600 minutes of arc equals 1,296,000 seconds of arc. That's a mighty fine subdivision of circles that would be used mostly by astronomers to measure the motion of distant stars. But notice that number, 1,296,000, and you'll see that it's the same number, just raised by 3 orders of magnitude as the number of square inches in a square yard. Okay, now another thing you might notice about most of these numbers, from 1440 to 8640, 43,200, 144, 1728, 36, 1296, is that they all probabilistically add up and reduce to the single digit 9.
The darn number 9.
There
it is again.
24, but 1440 adds, reduces to a single digit 9. 1296, you'll notice the same thing. 1 and 2 and 9 and 6 is 18, which